Hello sir, welcome to our presentation. Myself Shakil Loshkar, ID 125 from Northeastern University, and my teammate name Samia Jaman, ID 127, also from Northeastern University. So let's see our presentation topic. A presentation on file system in OH. I have created an application where such work can be done on file system as like cut, copy, paste selected object in current presentation or redo undo in your action. Use corresponding operation from the right click menu or keyboard shortcut. The user can control it with the mouse if he want, or he can control it with the keyboard shortcut. When user can enter our software, then he can show two menu bar, file and edit. And when he click the file menu, then he show three sub menu, new, pen and save. And when he click the edit menu, then he show seven sub menu, copy, paste, cut, redo, undo, select all, and last one is clear operation. And next is file. When user click the file menu, then he show three sub menu, the new, operation and open, and last sub save menu. Then if he open a new text file, then he click new option. Then new sub menu. When user click the new sub menu, then he show a interface where user can write or edit any text. For that, I have created an object of tab page and rich text box. I am calling the built-in function docstyle with an object of rich text box to complete the whole text on the screen. Tab control.add RTB this region for doing it. If you want to open a text file by checking the new menu more than once, if it will sit side by side. The second tool is open. By using this tool, user can open any text file from their local system. The backend function for open tool, here is a condition which is checking the text box is empty or not. If it is empty, then user can show a dialog box for select their text file which will be edited. User can select any text file from their local system and open by checking OK button of the dialog box. And if the rich text box is not empty, then it will show you a message. And now save tool is the third tool in file. After writing or editing any text file, user can save by using save tool. They can also choose location into their system for save their file. We have used the save file dialog in built-in function, created an object of this built-in class, and by calling show file dialog built-in function, we have checked a condition. After satisfying this condition, user can save their file. And the main second menu bar is edit. It will work copying and moving file folder. Sometimes you will need to move a file from one folder to another folder, or copy a file one folder to another folder, then leaving the file in first location and placing a copy of the second. You can move a copy file or folder using a variety method. If the file or folder and the location where you want to move their visibility in window or desktop. And next is process of copy. There is 5 process in copying system. First, open the file or folder in your local system or drive. And second is select file or folder do you want to copy. Third one is click the organize button or toolbar and click the copy button. And fourth, display designation folder where you want to copy this file or folder. And last one is click organize button on the toolbar and click the paste button. The name of first submenu is copy. It works after selecting the text from text box. If user can use the copy tool for make copy of that selected text. Here we just call copy built-in function for developing this button. So look at my skin animation to copy this system. And the second submenu is cart. If we selecting the text from the text box for cut it, then we click the cut menu. Here we can just call cut built-in function for developing this cut tool. Then say paste. Then the number 3 button is paste. After selecting the text, if we want to paste it, if we click paste option, here just call paste function, just it. Then here we just call undo function to if user important file has deleted, then he can use the undo button to return his data in this tool. Then redo button, here just call a redo built-in class. When user can click the redo button, then this text redo in his document. And here is selected button. If user can select all data or text, then he can hit the selected button to all selected text. Here just call and select all built-in function to create this tool. And last one is clear button. If user want to clear his data, then he hit the clear button and it use just a clear built-in function, just it. So that's all. Thank you.